Hi there, and welcome to your virtual assistant directory website, the ultimate platform to connect talented virtual assistants with businesses around the world. So, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to register and create a complete profile so clients can find you and start reaching out. So, let's get started. And by the way, our website is www.yourvirtualassistantdirectory.com. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that we are the first virtual assistant directory in the Philippines. So make a comment if you know any website or any site that offers virtual assistant directory. It's different from Upwork or Fiverr. We will dig deeper into that for the upcoming videos. But for now, what I really want to focus on is to register or to teach you how to register to the website. So first is head over to the website. Again, our website is www.yourvirtualassistantdirectory.com. Once you're here, click on Join Today. Okay. So as you can see, we have directory plan options. And by the way, if you've been following us, we've offered free membership for the first 100 users. So we haven't filled that out, or we haven't filled in the 100 users yet. And we're aiming, or we have a goal to have at least 100 free members for 1 month, and then after that you have to upgrade. But we have to let you know that we really encourage you to really join the free membership for you to have a feel or look how it looks like inside the platform. So without further ado, again, we are in the join now. So just click join now, and in here you will see the directory plan options. We have the basic option, which is 200 pesos per month to become a member. So what you can see, or what you can get for the 200 basic plan, this is actually ideal for new or entry-level virtual assistants who wants to establish a presence in the directory and gain basic exposure to potential clients. So whether you are in basic, premium, or VIP, you will have visibility to clients all around the world or all over the world who are looking for potential virtual assistants. So what does the basic membership includes? Standard profile listing, profile visibility, limited profile features, online community access. So we have a Facebook group, which we continually post valuable lessons, tips, and advice to virtual assistants. And also we have basic resources access. So we will go to that further too. What are the basic resources access that you can get for only 200 pesos? And of course, we have email support. Then next plan is premium, which is 300 pesos per month. It's ideal for virtual assistants who have some experience and want to boost their visibility. So meaning you will go to the very top um, priority when it comes to search visibility. It will attract more clients, and you will have access to additional resources to grow your business. So what the premium membership includes: enhanced profile listing, improved profile visibility, expanded profile feature, because there are some features available to premium that are not in the basic membership. Then we also have the priority email support. We have email support. It's support at yourvirtualassistantdirectory.com. Just contact us anytime if you have any questions or any issues when it comes to logging in, any technical issues or anything that you need support with in the platform. Just contact us there. And also you have Community Access Plus and premium resource access. So premium resource access are the resources that you usually see in paid courses, okay? But what's the beauty in this when you're joining our platform, or when you're joining your virtualassistantdirectory.com platform, for only 300 pesos per month, you will have unlimited access to premium resources. You don't need to pay for thousands of pesos just to get one course. You will have a lot of resources, templates, guidelines, worksheets, and also free videos. Okay. And also group coaching sessions. This is really valuable because most of us really prefer to have like a group coaching session wherein they can talk to a real person and a live person. Okay. So I think by the group coaching sessions alone, we are a group of expert virtual assistants. We've been doing this for a very long time. So I'm confident that we can really help you boost your virtual assistance career. And last but not the least is the VIP membership, which is 500 pesos per month. And this is ideal for experienced VAs or and specialists who want maximum exposure. So meaning you will be on the very top of the searchability functionality in the platform. The ability to showcase their work in detail. You can send photos or you can have photos. You can post videos, and also you can post articles and comprehensive support to grow their business. Okay. So what are the benefits? Top tier profile listing, as I mentioned, and highest profile visibility because we've designed the platform for you to be in the top profile visibility for the clients. And also full profile features, which are not available in the premium and also basic membership. Priority access to webinars, events, and by webinars, we conduct regular webinars, free webinars. And I think this is valuable because this is free. And for only 500 pesos per month, you will get to have also a one-on-one coaching. Okay. And then premium support means we will be supporting you all the way. It's again, we are available to be contacted at support at your virtual assistant directory.com. And it means that you are the priority when it comes to email support and the kind of support that you will need in the platform. And of course, VIP community access, all access to resource library, which is very, very valuable. And I think it's more than what you really pay for. For only 500 pesos per month, you will gain access to all the resources we have in the platform. And by resources, it's not limited to just, introduction or step-by-step guidelines, but all those things that we feel you need to know as a premium virtual assistant. Okay. And then one-on-one coaching sessions. So this is really valuable. And by this alone, you know how much is it to pay for a personal coach in virtual assistants or any type of coaching. So 500 pesos per month would really go a long way when it comes to developing your virtual assistance career when you have the one-on-one coaching sessions. And then profile optimization and audit service. So every now and then, our team will be auditing your profile, what needs to be added or what seems to be lacking in your profile to optimize it and to make it really searchable and visible to clients all over the world. And of course, we are working on partners. So community partners and also platform partners, tool partners, and affiliate partners who will work with us, and then you will have discounts on partner services. Okay, so when it comes to flexible payment options for you, we know that convenience matters. So aside from credit and debit card payments, we're happy to offer additional options. You can also pay via GCash, which is very common in the Philippines, Paymaya, PayPal, or your preferred payment method if you don't have a bank card on hand. Just reach out to us at support at findyourvirtualassistantdirectory.com and we'll make it happen. And of course, there are some text here when you go to the website, why join us? It's very obvious why you should join us, okay? So we have these full details of why you should join us, why virtual assistants should join us, and also why clients should visit our website and not join us, but use this platform to find their perfect virtual assistant. So if you have time, you can read on this and visit our platform. So let's go back to registering. And let's say I choose the basic platform. Okay. So this is the registration page. So of course, enter email is you really have to enter your email. It's a required field here. And also you have to confirm email, create password, confirm password. So this is just your basic registration. But you have to remember that you have to complete your profile after registering because we've designed the profile or we've designed the website. Your profile will not be shown or will not be visible to clients if you don't complete your profile. So take note of that, okay? And then select a payment option. Again, if it's basic, so this, for example, of this video, this is for basic account, 200 per month. You can cancel anytime. And then if you get the annual plan, it's only 2,000 per year for the whole year. You have to save it 16, you will be saving 16% with this option, and you can upgrade anytime and you can downgrade anytime. Okay. So enter billing information, name on card, company name if you're affiliated with an agency or if you have a company, and then street address, country, um, of course, your card number. And I'd like to reiterate the fact that this is safe payment because we accept payment via Stripe. So if you have any issues, definitely we pay a portion of your payment to Stripe to make sure that you only pay safe. Okay, so no scam, no using your credit card information to other information, because we also don't have access to your credit card because you pay through Stripe and then Stripe give us your payment. Okay. And then check all these fields by creating an account. You agree of our terms and conditions, and you understand that personal information you enter in this website will be stored and used to contact you in the future. If you understand that, then check. And then you understand that if you make any purchases on this website, billing information will be securely stored with a third-party payment processor, which is Stripe. Okay. Now you proceed to creating your profile. Okay. So again, for the purpose of this video, what will happen next is this will send you an email, or we will send you an email for verification. Your account will not be activated unless you verify your email for security purposes. We want to know that you're a real person, and we're dealing with a live person with an active email address. So until you activate it, your account will not be activated in our platform. Then, yeah, it's just simple registration, very straightforward, very simple. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And what can I say? This is really, really affordable, very worth it. It's worth a try. It's only 200 pesos, 300 pesos, and 500 pesos per month. So let us know, and we really encourage you to join this platform. And again, correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know if we are really the first virtual assistant directory in the Philippines. I've been looking in Google, but I'm not sure if we are really the first. So make a comment there, okay? And let us know what you think about this platform. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.